When I tell you say something, you don't be crack me. One day, they go goody, but me go see my daddy. I never finish now.
They go to money, good money every day. But love is so sweet, so nice, you should know that.
There was no doubt about your vocal, coordination, your ability, and all that.
Oh yeah, son of my guys, you don't leave me because I'm not getting money, make it dummy. If you got the money, make it dummy something.
Don't get you love, if you go shake door, shake door.
Love of my money and I put it on my mama. I was 14 when I started working for commas. Money don't mean nothing if I can't buy love. And if you work for something, you ain't nothing about that.
Imagine a world where there's no love. Evaded rules and now we will still last long. Give me a break of love. All this money talk now.
Oh yeah, container and now. Container and now. Yeah, container and now. You ready? Go ride with me, slide with me, put me in the remedy and drive with me. We're gonna stay fly tonight. Looking in the ride with the scared to drive.
Hi guys, Mars Aliens, how you guys doing? It doesn't sound like you're doing fine. What's that? What's that?
We don't like to shout. I think
So how would they recognize you when you don't shout?
young Prince Okpona, aka Mikasa, now when you see him on the stage, anywhere you see him,
So prior to the stage?
Don't worry, to buy me go show money.
Imo, I didn't know. I didn't know.
When you came here, you didn't see me.
I didn't see you. How's been the competition so far?
It's been wonderful. I love the way they organize the competition, and it's going fine. Based on the rules and everything, if everybody was keeping to how they organized the Battle of the Sound, they'll be feeling the way I'm feeling it, because I'm feeling so excited. I love it, and I'm happy, and I'm thanking God for my team are able to showcase what we have, our talent. Despite the prize, though, we are good.
Okay, so which of the categories have you found more interesting so far?
All the genres are interesting because my guys and I will be dominating so far, so all of them is good. All the genres are good. All the genres are good.
So of all other competitors, which of the teams do you think is a match for you guys?
We've not actually participated in too much battle than like others, and looking at the place we are on the table, we are the best. So I don't think there's any Casa and Mars Aliens. Now them there.
Okay, we hope to see more of you on the stage.
No problem.
You're welcome. Okay, hello Venus Crew.
Hey, yeah, what's up? How you doing, Wayne?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you guys doing today?
We are fine.
You look like you have something to say.
Yeah, I have something to say, truly.
What's up?
I won't say much, but seriously, I don't like the way they process this battle. Normally, we are still upcoming and we are learning every day. But this is not the first battle we have attended. You understand? Like, the first complaint I want to give today is about the vote. The vote passed through long process. Not everybody, even to comment on Instagram or like or follow the page, they find it so difficult.
So that aside, how's been the competition so far?
So fine, we're getting it. I'm not down because of this. We're getting it for sure.
That's great to know. At least the energy is still 100.
Sure for me, in a talent. What is the Abora?
Nice, so we'll see you on the stage again. Thank you. It's Jupiter Click, guys. Hello.
Thank you. One time, I go by name Lines. Oh, my name is Blue Boy.
So how's it been so far? What's your energy level like?
It's very stressful, but just have to do our best and try. At least we are doing our best, but we just know we go to the top. That's our point. It's just the voting. The voting is the problem.
Get your people to vote for you. You need this money.
Yeah, we have to. We'll try. We'll do our best. We'll try.
Yeah, that's it. You have to try your best. Okay, so what genre of music are you particular about?
Is Afro and reggae, but sometimes the things just change. I just have to find myself. Is that reggae or bamboo? It's a tough game, but we just have to do our best. That's the only thing. Yeah, we just have to do our best. Since you find 2 beats and you have to try to do 2, in case they give you any one, you just have to do something. So that's our target. We just have to plan ourselves.
Hopefully your best is good enough for you. So of all other competitors, other teams here competing with you guys, which of the teams do you feel like is a match for Jupiter Clique?
I would say the Mass Aliens, because I've been in Mass Aliens before, but it's just that they are not trying, they are not coming together as a group. But I found out that this time they are coming together, but I was not with them, so I find myself in Jupiter, but we are going to do better. That is the only thing. I'll just have to do better.
Yeah, it's good to do better. We'll see you again on the stage. Take care.
Please, I need to hear some excitement in the house. All the nations, let me hear you say, woo! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name DJ Prices, the microphone guardians. I am the G-Wagon Essential, aka I go misbehave. Okay, a wonderful shout out to my judges. Please, a round of applause to our judges in the house.
They want to cruise life, they don't want stress. You know pretty boy, buy iPhone first. I'm telling you this cause it's the best. iPhone, if I know you do, say I go use phone. iPhone, I've been always wanting to take you home. iPhone, you're the fastest and never you're the most slow. iPhone, no. Alright, say, who kills the light? Camera shy, iPhone, who they call the girls the pass? Who they say the fans are trash? Okay, who try the pass? Who fresh pass? Who they bomb the beat the car? Who the IP not the cars? IP not the car? iPhone, say if I know you do, say I don't go use phone. iPhone, see I be always wanting to take you home. iPhone, you're the fastest and never you're the most slow. Phone where we say to go swap later. What did they do in the street and the right? What they use to buy babe around you. It's really expensive to unload. You know. Subscription, maintenance, okay, your trouble. You know. It's really expensive to unload. You know, subscription, maintenance, okay, your trouble. You know, say it's an anti-pop. It's cheaper, it's stronger, it's cheaper, it's stronger, it's cheaper. Say it's an anti-pop. It's cheaper, it's stronger, it's cheaper, it's stronger.
Please, a round of applause for them now. Make una clap for them, then try. Okay. All right, moving on to my judges, please.
Yeah, I wanted to say something about is it Neptunes?
The Neptunes.
Right. Neptunes, okay. I wanted to complain about your singing, that it was off the key to the song, but unfortunately, Mass Alien came up with the same thing. You are fantastic, good. I like what your deliveries were good, but you went on keys to the songs, to the instrumental. You need to be conscious of that all the time. And that could just get your mark down.
Imagine say I be Android though. out. But in my head, make I just cash out. Woman the phone, make I just cash out. Woman the phone, where you back? Woman the phone, where you back? Put your hands to your sumba. Put your hands to your sumba. Put my the phone, where you back? Put your hands to your sumba. Many come in your other day. Pull up to the show, mama go away. Steady grinding like on my way. All I will walk, where go away. Many come in your other day. Pull up to the show, where go away. Woman the phone, where go away. Woman the phone, where you back? Put your hands to your sumba. With my hair for your jumpa. With my the phone for your jumpa. Put your hands for your sumba.
I'm also not mistaken, but I don't calculate. I love doing obligating. I just texting, everything's so fresh flexing. My OS is updating, and that's why your chick won't follow me. She just want to follow me. Fresh boy so clean looking, so nice, she just won't follow me. She not because you see my iPhone, she just wanna go down with the boy. She wanna go down with the boy. So I say, hey, I'm also not mistaken. My OS is updating, I'm calculating. I'm just doing my thing like, yeah, say she like it, that she just want to follow the boy cause I'm fresher. Yeah, say she want to follow me cause she's all about boy, I'm a good dad.
Yo. Okay. Yeah.
Say he go fat like tablet. But I don't wanna use that mobile phone where they say he go make them bougie. Yeah, they want to look so classy. But that they want the day like an IG. iPhone cha cha cha. Why the camera cha cha cha? Why the glass na cha cha cha? Oh my iPhone gonna baba yeah. The camera cha cha cha. Why glass na cha cha cha? Why the interface cha cha cha? Why oh my iPhone gonna baba oh yeah well. Yeah, you wanna know the reason you're the ladies use an iPhone?
Yes, because you make my life you are the rest. Waiting I fulfill you when I try to feel you. How are you set to do? Android is better, application is better. iPhone has kind of just to chop your money. I change to the iOS. Android made you are okay. Oh. Say I will always choose Android. I know picture Papu will never iPhone. You always let me confess me. If you move, you're not sorry. Say I will always choose Android. I know picture Papu will never match up. Mama love for Kada way Bentley.
iPhone go love no go try compare one day bar. iPhone go love Android le go riba. iPhone go love no go try compare one day bar. Android go liba, oh le go riba. Bad guy where they use iPhone, bad man where they use iPhone, big man where they use iPhone, back low and network, all around people are fuck up. Me I know like to they fuck up. Android that is where they scam me. Android they give me bad luck. iPhone, 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 iPhone. go try compare one day ba. iPhone go lofa, Android lele go riba. iPhone go lofa, no go try compare one day ba. iPhone go lofa, Android lele go riba.
You say get the iOS, go some problem, you know, get data, you dey find us for so ya on Wi-Fi, make I on us for, make I share you some, cause I know say you don't get network, no be my iPhone, got you two numbers, me I get the flow when they got them boys, me I get the flow when they got them boys, you know, I'm like chill, let me bring it back, I know over iPhone, I put it on my slap, that's because I'm rapping it, usually I do this type of thing, for real, I'ma be honest with you, for real, this flow too wavy, I'm going crazy, last time I checked, I made the crowd go crazy. You think this is playing? Like that my phone, see your girl, she's been playing you. Anything no see, but she's been getting you. Say if you try to mess me, I'ma leave you broken, mentally or physically. You say get the iOS, hey, go some problem.
Baby, say me I know what talk. Tell me what go for iOS, calling Android. How much if not just for fun? Now if you see me dey talk, I don't see me no go talk. Say me I start to come. I go for Android. I go back to the train. My data with life, no how you want to back to the day. I don't catch you fit to my data with life. No how. iOS you do on Android, you see Bluetooth. I will see when they talk. If I don't see me, I know the talk. So me, I know the phone. I will see me, I the talk. Android,
Never alone, yeah. You see, I got 3 cameras at the back. I got 3 cameras at the back. Boy, okay. Dropping 30 bars, big quality, right? Yeah. I know you like it, yeah.
Got to ride for it. Listen. Yeah, I'm just like Junico. I'm gonna tell you your position. Listen, say, look at no lockdown. If you don't use under the money, you be shama. But it's a lele, don't need to be a shalaye. I want users to they spend money. I forgot it to my felony. No pop pass, I'm bread on cars. No pop pass, I'm bread on cars. I'm no fish out, no kids to buy. Me and the jail, make it jail. Anytime I sing, make it jail. I'm a user, sit there useless. Me and no free, keep my loser. I want to the day of I feel. I the boss me, I do things that day. And I can't make a kill these vibes. Anytime I enter me, I kill these vibes. I want to get camera. I want to the light.
Don't bother, come and get the seat, no bother. Red make with no bother. Now get the seat, no bother. I've been calling you, been calling too. Oh, say, I've been texting you, been texting too. Oh, say, I've been cashing out with my iPhone ready. Me, I don't mind anybody see. I don't mind them cause pop. The referee don't blow when I shoot my shot. I must catch you. I don't mind you, one more battle. Android is calling, more battle. Say, she wanna know if more battle. Cause, hello. Show shot in bomb. Oluwa shall show me. She you wanna know, oh, hello. Never show shot bomb. Oluwa da lo show me. Iko le dabi Android.
Jack at his best. With grace so loud, profound and now. We got you there. Is it 2 years with a friendly interface for all kind of things? System update so fast with crystal clear pictures. iOS with speed as fast
Operations out so fast as light for iOS with pictures clear as crystals. Yeah, we rock.
Yes, because you make my life be on the rest. Waiting, I don't feel you when I try to feel you. Now I said to do. Android is better, application is better. iPhone has kind of just to chop your money. I change to the iOS, Android made you are okay. Oh. Say I will always choose Android. I know picture Papu whenever I post. You always let me confess me. If you move, you're not sorry. Say I will always choose Android. I know picture Papu whenever match up. Mama love for God, away Bentley.
Round at one, just the oppressions like that. It don't make sense now. What's the happen? You guys are wonderful. You guys are wonderful. Jupiter, can you just put your hands together for them, please? Put your hands together for them, Alright, there's something very important. There's something very important you need to have as an artist, and that thing is called a niche. I can see that you both have a niche, and like, when you sing, you know, this is the person singing, and that's very important for an artist.
Get to do the do, cause I got my phone Scooby-Doo. Me, I know like Barara. Me, I do my thing on a gaga. Me, I get the Android. Me, I know they make noise. Me, I use the phone to make a call, to make a noise. I know get time, I just the phone. Cause I got the Android phone where they give me joy. Me, I no go lie, they make me tall. When I'm standing up, I am standing tall. You know fit to touch my phone. I did die, hello. Hey. Say, die, hello. Say, die, hello. Say, what? I'm picking my phone, I'm calling my phone. Only me they talk, only me they respond. Something going on. I want an iPhone, but you don't get I for phone. Me, I get the Android, so make you try avoiding me. Me, I take a cool question. Anytime they tell me, say your phone don't reach, oh yeah, guess it, Joe. What's up?
We don't get money, but 14 anyway. When you go buy the iPhone are anyway. When you go buy the iPhone, you go there they do. When you go buy the iPhone, you they buy the iPhone. You there they do but we they buy the iPhone. Your mates they use them. Your mates they use that thing. The day they use them. You don't get sent your down. Your mates they use them.
This guy, you cheat for this thing. You feel like you sing. Nice one, yeah.
Lucky Uranus, I guess.
Uranus for me.
Alright.
Uranus for me too.
Okay.
Me, I know fit to my iPhone, brother. My iPhone, the best for me. I know fit to stop. Nobody else. Nobody stop me. iPhone the best phone, no one can stop it. Me, I know fit to my iPhone, brother. Me, I know fit to my iPhone, brother. No one feel good, yeah. No one feel good, yeah. Nobody feel good. Android Alaska. Nobody feel good, yeah. Nobody feel good, yeah. Nobody feel good, yeah. Oh, yeah. Me, I don't feel like all you Android, no be for now. Me, I go use my Android phone. Snap the best week on my phone. No. iPhone's the best one. Nothing fit to stop it. Nothing fit to change it. No, yeah. iPhone from it gone. Phony represent the you party of the age house. I rex we no go do it best. D4 we go dey do it party. I rex we no go do it best. D4 we go dey do it party. After buying biggie iPhone, these same people go there asking for 50 naira. I beg is D4 we go give you peace of mind. Android be the best one for you, Joe. No go let them come, they want you, Bobo. Android be the best one for you, Joe. For you, Bobo.
Calm down, Joe. What's the one you said? They do now. But nice one, man. Nice one, guys. You know, Mass. Which one is Mass? Okay, Mass.
Mass aliens.
You want to use
background, please.
You want to use Celine Dion. You want to now catch us in a live? Me.
Work.
You know, I mentioned something earlier. I talked about having a reach as an artist. You can feel that kind of it's very nice. So when the same vibe from South to wearing that mask, and the same action of mask, yeah, from inside South, they will confuse.